Good day everyone, welcome back to another video on VampFX. In today's video we'll be going through EURUSD. So we got into the position and we were not aware of the news that was taking place at the time when we entered. So I got stopped out with one pip. I put some stories on my IG, you guys can go check that out, VampFX. I'll also maybe leave a short video on the screen of the stories that I took. And look at, we had a fat meltdown that week. Just nicked my stop loss so that we got triggered out, and then I'm not sure how I just flipping candle went. So yeah guys, you can expect a video from this setup. It'll probably get released in this week. What is it today? Thursday. So yeah, this is crazy, bro. We got fucking stopped out with one pop, and look at that move that we missed out on. What bollocks. But damn, that was such a bummer, because we did not expect that at all. And after we got stopped out with that one pop, it literally flew into our direction, and it made like a flipping 1,000 pop move. But I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna go through the pair and what I saw at the time. Before we get into that, I just want to show you guys the news event that took place. So let's just check here on my economic calendar. Let me just go to yesterday. Okay, so these were the news events that took place. I think I'll circle it while I'm editing. It was the euro area that stopped us out, and then once it moved into the direction that we wanted, this one came into play, the ECB press conference. And when it was that specific time, 3:30, it just flew. I was so upset though, kind of, but yeah, it is what it is. We need to be aware of the news events when we're trading the markets, because it can have an effect on our technical analysis. It's good to always have that in the back, that you know, okay, I'm gonna trade when none of these news events are happening. So let's get into the technical side of things and see how the pair looked when we entered. So on the 4H, you could see that we were coming down quite a while since the 14th of Jan. Today's the what's today? It's the 4th of Feb. We took the trade yesterday. When we looked at it, at the bigger picture, we saw, okay, now it's making a reversal. So you can see here that we broke past that last high of the downtrend, and when you see that, you know, okay, now it's time to be looking for buys, because this is no longer downtrend. Let me just check what the fib level on this was. The fib level on it was about 50%, 50 fib level. So there was a possibility that it could come down, but since we're breaking that previous highs on the major time frame, we can see that now we're not going back down to that level. So that is that for the 4 hour. Taking a look at the 1 hour. So taking a look at the 1 hour, you can see that we have not a candlestick, what you call it, a chart pattern. What's the bullish flagpole. We have the bullish flagpole, and you can see the flag there coming down nicely, respecting our channel. And then once we hit this level over here, we were looking for buys, but we were also looking for the correct candlestick pattern, and that's what we got. Like literally everything in this trade was like, it was rooting for us. So I even got excited and said there's no way that this thing can't go wrong, and if this does go wrong, then technical analysis does not exist. So that's that for the 1 hour time frame. That's what we saw on that. So taking a look at 30 minutes. So once again on the 30 minutes, you can see that it respected this channel resistance, if I may say that. I think it was on the 30-minute or the 15-minute that we entered. Let me just check. It was on the 15-minute. 30-minute. It was on the 30-minute. On the 1 hour we had that candlestick pattern. Just to refresh, we had that candlestick pattern over there that was already formed, so that was a confirmation, as well as the direction in which the market is moving on the 4 hour. That was another indication to us, so it was 2 right there, as well as the chart pattern, which was another confirmation. There's 3 confirmations that this thing has to go our way. At the time, this fat wick did not exist yet. It did not exist, so we entered, and then we were chilling for a bit, and market did its thing. And then I just saw, like, I was looking off the screen, I was a bit on my phone, I looked on the screen again, and I just saw like a major meltdown to the bottom. I didn't close, I just left the trade running, and then we got stopped out with literally 1 pip, like I said, 1 goddamn pip, 1 fucking pip. So after we got stopped out, we came up. The price was playing around here for a while. The next candlestick didn't make much movement. It was just chilling there in that area. And then once the next one formed, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna take another entry, because I'm not sure of the news anymore, what's happening. So after I found out about the news, and then I decided not to take the entry, because then basically all my technicals went into shit. And this meltdown literally shocked me. So after that, we just flew and flew and flew and flew and flew and flew. I kind of wish I got in on this move, but you know, there's always more opportunities. So I'm not gonna ponder on what could have been, what should have been. We will just get the next one. You know how it is with VAM things, man. We'll just get the next one. So yeah, we could have had our 40 pips here, but 1 pip stopped us out. So yeah, that's my trade on EURUSD. If you guys like what you saw in the video, leave a like, and if there's anything that I might have missed in the video, feel free to leave it in the comment section. To subscribe and hit that noti bell so you can get notifications on the next time I post analysis like this, where we get stopped out with 1 pip. Hopefully never again. So yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day.